If you want to turn on bypass charging on the Samsung Galaxy S26, open the settings for the first, and right now you have to go into the advanced features. Now you have to go below for the game booster settings, and here you have to just connect a charger into your phone. So we have to just connect this, and now this switcher will turn on and you can just enable it. But as you can see, by the way, it's not working for me right now because it just stopped charging. So how to fix this? Well, I'm on the 80%, so the phone is not fully charged. You have to turn off the battery protection. Now you will have to go for advanced features, open the game booster again. And now as you can see, you can enable that feature. If it is also not working, then make sure that you are above 20%, that you are connected with supported charger that is compatible with PPS, and it's 25 watts or higher.